Hey guys, welcome back to Learn to Code HTML Part 3. Today we're talking about hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are awesome. They let you jump from one page to another with a single click. So first of all, let's change up this page. Learning what we saw in Part 2, we changed the background color and created a few elements. So this paragraph here is going to serve as our hyperlink. Of course, it doesn't do anything yet. To make this a hyperlink, we have to add a new element. This element is called A. So we're going to close it on either side of our text that we want to be a link. So inside of our A element, we're going to add an href property. Href stands for hyperlink reference. So inside these quotes, we're going to put the name of the page you want to jump to. Of course, to jump to a new page, we need to make a new page. So we're going to go in New File. We're going to name this one the red page.html. So now we can see we updated this page. But we can't just refresh it. If we want to run this page, we have to open it in a file. So now that we've made our red page, we have to update it. We have to see what it looks like. We can't do that from here. So we have to open our HTML file and find the new page we made called red page and open it from there. So this is what our red page looks like. So here we have a red page and a blue page. So now that we're back to our blue page, we're going to set this href to equal the name of the red page. Now if we refresh this, we can see our red page becomes a link. Go to red page, it loads our red page. Now we're going to go back to this red page and turn this go back to blue page text into a link that goes back to our front page here. So as you can see, we're done this link. Instead of saying the blue page, this is the front page, just because that's what we named the first page in part 0 of the series. Refresh this, go back to blue page. So we can jump between the blue and the red page with just one button. So you can add hyperlinks to anything you want. You can add to a button, an image, or text. It doesn't just have to be a paragraph. But we'll get into more of that later. So there we go. We can see we can jump between two different pages with just one button. So that pretty much concludes part 3 of Learn to Code HTML. I'll see you in part 4.